What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video we're just gonna make a quick reaction to trader Nick about breaking FTMO, no longer accepting USA traders. So let's jump right away into the video, guys.
Yesterday, we got hit with some really big news in the prop firm space. And for traders out there who have been affected by this, the FTMO situation is definitely a devastating one for many people who use FTMO to trade certain products. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what we know about the FTMO situation, as well as what this could mean for the future of the prop firm space. What are things going to look like now that one of the most notorious names in the industry, like the OG one, just banned US clients? It's a really big deal. And in this video, I'm going to break down as much as I know about the situation.
That's crazy, guys. That's actually crazy. Guys. This is sad to hear because right now I'm sitting on my FTMO challenge. But the good news is I'm not a US citizen. So I don't really care, but I do try to make a quick reaction so as many people can reach this information.
So again, let me clarify here the situation. If you are somebody in the US who already has a funded account with FTMO, I believe, to the best of my ability, you still have your account. But if I'm wrong about that, please someone let me know if you've been kicked out of your account.
To be honest, what FTMO recently did, I had an FTMO account since 2022, and they haven't changed the policy to make an unlimited trading account. They hold it like that as a 30 days period, like to make the target. But from now on the new year, I realized that they changed the policy to unlimited on my side. So I'm very grateful for that, but let's see, maybe that it can be the reason that they change it.
But what I know for sure is that they have stopped more accounts being purchased or challenges being purchased by US people specifically. And that could, and this is speculation, could expand to other places with more strict regulation like the UK, Canada, Australia, etc. That is possibly on the horizon, but we don't know that just yet. Today is really in focus for US traders who have gotten the short end of the stick with this recently with the MyForex Fund situation and now the FTMO situation. I mean, these are the biggest ones, but it asks a question. If they're, picking off the biggest ones, if regulation is kind of scoping in on these ones first, who's to say that all the little ones are not yet to follow? If you're the regulatory body, the SEC, if the CFTC, if you're looking into this situation, you probably start with the biggest names in the industry who are offering US customers these products. But that is the next part I want to get into this video. Why? Why are these things getting taken down? Why are US clients not allowed to trade it? I'll break it down really simple for you. And I'm pretty sure once you see this, you'll understand why these things are getting picked off the US marketplace pretty quick. Okay, so to help us with this simple illustration, I've got 3 sections on the screen. You can see you right here, FX prop firms, which is the topic of today. We're not talking specifically about future.
I guess was the reason that they stopped doing that. They did that with MyForex funds. I assuming that they will do with FTMO also, but hopefully they don't. They won't shut down because, man, I've been trying to pass this FTMO since 2022. So if they will shut down right now, it's gonna be a shame for me though.